English news for learners. Today is July 23rd. Let us listen to 3 stories from Japan today. ウナギの養殖. An eel farm in Aichi Prefecture has great news. They are using a special feeding method. This grows mostly female eels. Female eels have softer skin and meat. Traditional methods usually produce mostly males. This new method is much better. These delicious eels are for everyone. People are celebrating the summer day of the ox. Shipments are reaching their peak right now. July 26th is the big day. Supermarkets are also helping customers.
Eels are about 10% cheaper this year. This is because of a good catch of young eels. Everyone can enjoy a tasty meal. Next topic. Smartphone. Samsung announced a new smartphone model. It is a folding smartphone. It measures just over 4 millimeters thick. This new model is exceptionally thin. It is much thinner than previous generations. Foldable phones are very popular now. Competition in the market is increasing. More brands are joining soon. Apple is also rumored to enter the market. They plan their first foldable device release.
Foldable phones are a major battleground. Global tech giants are fighting for customers. Technology is changing very fast. And finally, SoftBank's AI service. SoftBank started a new service today. It is an AI data service for media. They provide verified news articles to developers. The articles come from newspapers and news agencies. This helps improve AI performance. It also ensures proper compensation. This is a legal and paid alternative. It stops unauthorized scraping of content. Media copyright is a big global topic. AI training data needs proper rules. This service helps prevent unauthorized use. At the same time, it boosts AI capabilities. Everyone benefits from this system. Today we learned about female eels for summer, a new thin folding smartphone, and SoftBank's new AI data service. Keep practicing your English every day. Thank you for listening. See you next time.